coast to cruise.
Oh my God, that was so much fun!
Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Zindran here at King's Dominion, and we are about to ride Rapterra, the world's tallest and longest launch wing coaster. I'm here with Kyle Perez. He's going to accompany me on this journey. Kyle, are you ready to ride this world record-setting coaster?
I think so, yeah. I definitely am.
Excellent, excellent. Well, we're going through one of my favorite parts. We're about to hit the launch. We're going through all of these fantastic arches, yeah. Kyle. Are you ready to go to 65 miles an hour? All right, up and over the midway, 145 feet down to the ground, into the dive loop. First and virgin, Kyle. How you doing?
I don't know which way's up or down.
We're about to hit our S-turns, right, and then left over the midway into our wing side. Kyle, here comes the corkscrew. Second inversion. All right, out of the seat for the airtime hill. Whoa! And the barrel roll. Look at all this hang time upside down. Oh my God. Coming back into the station. Woo! Oh my goodness. So there you have it, folks. That is Rapterra, the world's tallest and longest launch wing coaster, opening March 29th at King's Dominion. We hope to see you out here.